Hi students, how are you? I am fine. I hope you are all fine. Okay, I am S. Naveen Kumar from Bardasnar Metric Higher Secondary School, Department of Computer Science and Applications. Now we are going to see in 11th standard Computer Science and Applications in chapter 1 Introduction to Computer. In that we are going to see input devices. Yes. First of all, what is input devices? Why you want to use that input devices? You are giving some input to the computer. Why we need to input to the computer? We want to use any processing the data. That data can be feed with the help of input devices. Are you clear, students? If you want to give any input to the computer with the help of input devices. In that input devices we have several types. Each and every devices is used for separate purpose and some different features. Yes, in this, these are all the input devices. What are these input devices? Keyboard, mouse, scanner, fingerprint scanner, trackball, retinal scanner, light pen, and so many input devices are there. OCR, optical character reader, and barcode reader, QR code reader, voice input system, retinal scanner, digital camera, touch devices, so many input devices are there. So we are seeing one by one. Yes, keyboard is the very basic input devices. Why the keyboard is very basic input devices? Because the keyboard we are giving some input. That input is in the form of text. That means alphabetic characters, numbers, and some other special characters. This is the basic input device, and this keyboard have wired and as well as wireless. Yes, we have wireless means we have some additional chip that can be connected with the CPU, and then we can use that keyboard. And then these are the characters. What are the keyboards? This is example keyboard. Here these are the function keys. These are the function keys, and these are the arrow keys, and these are the numeric keys and have some special characters. If you want to press the special character, you can use the shift button. Are you clear, students? You can use the shift button, and then these are the alphabetic characters. This keyboard is manufactured in the basis of QWERTY, that is the basic in terms of Sanskrit. கண்ணி இந்த கீபோர்டு வந்து நமக்கு அந்த சான்ஸ்கிரிட் மொழியை சமஸ்கிருதத்தை அடிப்படையாக வச்சு என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, டெவலப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. தட் இஸ் a QWERTY keyboard, QWERTY, that is a QWERTY keyboard, and this is how some what numeric characters and some other function keys also used there. Each and every functions we have some special purpose. What are that special purpose? F1 is used for help, F2 is used for renaming, and F3 we want to use for what purpose? This is mainly used for help, and F4 it's the combination of another keys. What are the combination of another keys? Alt plus F4 means we want to close some content or shut down the system. F5 which is used for refresh. Are you clear? F6, and F6 is used in some browser if you want to move the link address in Firefox, and F8 is also used for what, some other special purpose. Yes, these are the keyboard characteristics. F1 is used for help, and F2 is used for rename, and F3 is used for open search tool. That search tool means we want to search the some content. If you want to press something, for example, I want to search my resume, or I want to search my mark sheet, I want to search my document with the help of this F3. And Alt plus F4 is mainly used for what purpose? This Alt plus F4 is mainly used for, yes, very good, shutdowning the system or closing the system or close some applications. Are you clear, students? In that Alt plus F4 we have several options: shutdown, hibernate, sleep, and some more options are there. Shutdown means properly the system will be shut down. How it was properly system will be shut down? All the applications are running, that should be closed after the system will be shut down. Suppose if you want to open the system within 5 minutes or within half an hour, we want to save the system, save the document and minimize the document, that should be put it in hibernate. Okay. Next, F5 is used for refresh, F8 is used for booting the window. What is the meaning for boot window? Boot window means all the applications should be loaded, that time we can stop and then suppose we want to use. That means putting the OS, அதாவது நம்ம OS போடுறதுக்காக இந்த மாதிரி பர்பஸ்க்கு நம்ம F8 யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, are you clear? These are the characteristics of keyboard. Next, mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. Why mouse is a pointing device? Which is used to click. Here some other pointing devices also there. Here in this pen, this is also used for a pointing device. Yes. And this mouse also wired and as well as wireless, and we have 3 clicks. In that mouse we have 3 clicks: basic, left click, right click and center. In that center button is used for scrolling. Center button is used for scrolling. What is the usage of scrolling? We want to scroll, the page will be down and up. Okay. And left click is the normal click. What is the usage of that left click? Which is used to select a particular document or particular folder or particular file. Okay. And then next mouse actions are click. What is click? Just we can select. And click and drag means if you click that mouse button and drag, அதாவது mouse button left click அழுத்தி பிடிச்சினா அப்படியே இழுக்கணும், that is called click and drag. Double click is used to open that particular file, and right click is used. In that right click we have some pop-up menu. What is that pop-up menu? Here suppose if you are clicking that right click, in this pop-up menu will be appear. In this pop-up menu, suppose new, here we can click that left click, it will shift what? Folder, and it has some files, that folder, and then what? Office, Microsoft Office document and Excel, several options are there, you can select any one option. This is what? Pop-up menu. Are you clear, students? Next, these are the several different types of mouses. These are all several different types of mouses. The first one is the mechanical mouse. What is that mechanical mouse? Here the mechanical mouse have ball. This ball is mainly used. The mouse rotation is fully based on that ball. Based on that ball movement, pointer will be moved from one place to another place in a particular screen. And next one, optical mouse. Optical mouse is also nowadays used in laser mouse, that's also same. And ergonomic mouse, that ergonomic mouse are used in some advanced technique, that is used for what purpose? It is in gaming and some TV shows and then movie industries we can use. And then tactile mouse, this is the different of tactile mouse, we can pressing that button is in the form of finger. Next, these are the gaming mouse. Gaming mouse also here we can use nowadays in real time, and our lab also and your home also, it is no problem. And air mouse or 3D mouse. Air mouse and 3D mouse means it is used for presentation. Air mouse and 3D mouse means it is used for presentation. What is the purpose of presentation? When we can use it, air mouse means there is no flat surface to place that particular mouse. Here we can kept in your hand and then you can use it. So it is called as a air mouse. Yes, are you understand, children? No need to use for flat surface. Yes. And then optical mouse. Optical mouse also nowadays we can use in our lab and then home itself. Next, scanner. What is the usage of scanner? Scanner is simply call it as scan the images or scan the document. That document is fully based on maybe a typed document or written or a photocopy. It looks like a Xerox machine. What happened? Suppose if you can place a paper in that place, the light beam will be follow and scan that image and display and store it in where? Stored in some content. Yes. Next, Fingerprint scanner. What is the usage of fingerprint scanner? The fingerprint scanner is mainly used for biometric content. That biometric is a unique identification. What is the purpose of that unique identification? Suppose I put that finger for register for biometric. I in the raise, அதாவது நம்ம பெருவிரல் ரேகை இருக்குல்லமா, அந்த பெருவிரல் ரேகை அப்படியே ஸ்கேன் பண்ணும். Not only this finger, you can use thumb or forefinger, whatever it may be. நீ எது வேணா யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். இதில் வந்து நான் அந்த ரேகையை நல்லா ஸ்கேன் பண்ணும். Suppose any injury will occur, it cannot be scanned. Okay? Some ஏதாவது காயம் இருக்கு, அந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம் ஏற்பட்டுச்சுன்னா என்ன ஆகாது? ஸ்கேன் பண்ணாது. This is the disadvantage. Are you clear, students? It is a very sensitive and very safety mechanism. You are using the password. Okay? Yes, we are using in our mobile phones. Mobile phone fingerprint for lock and unlock your mobile phones. Yes. Next, trackball. Trackball is that optical mouse reverse order. How it was optical mouse reverse order? The ball is present downwards of the optical mouse, but trackball, the ball is present in the upwards. That ball is mainly used for navigating. So you are navigating that ball, the mouse pointer will be moved from one place to another place, and we can point out the trackball is mainly used on gamings, and some mobile phones we have the trackball. In that QWERTY keyboard we have a Nokia mobile phones. In that mobile phones we have some trackball is also included. Next, retinal scanner. What is the usage of that retinal scanner? Retinal scanner is used to scan the human retina, that is blood vessels. It is a very sensitive biometric technique. The rays are passed and scan the human eye blood vessels. This scan and then allowed to that security. Suppose, what is the disadvantage? Maybe என்னது நம்ம பஞ்சகாமலையில் அஃபெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கோம், ஜாண்டிஸ் அஃபெக்ட் ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னா, in that situation retinal scanner cannot be worked. நான் தான் இப்போ என்னோட ஃபேஸ் தான், என்னோட ஐ தான் ஸ்கேன் பண்றேன், பட் yesterday it was scanned properly, but today I injured in jaundice means what happened? It cannot be worked properly. ப்ராப்பரா ஒர்க் ஆகாது. சரிங்களா? And light pen, this is the best example for light pen. Here we have some sensitive thing. That sensitive thing, with the help of that light sensitive, we can write something or draw something, and we can draw some images also, but it is not in accurate manner. This is the drawback. We can write some content, maybe handwriting will be in very clear, and maybe it is some difficult. So this is the main drawback of this. And here how it was worked, you have light sensitive metal. That light sensitive metal is used to reflect. Pointing device like pen, this look like this. Yes. Optical character reader, that is OCR. Very important one more question. OCR, optical character reader. This optical character reader scans the page document every character by character. Okay, every character by character, that's a group of characters. And it's also similar to scanner. Scanner works on the different lines, different thickness of lines. But that is scanner means barcode reader that scan the different lines. Here the character reader, OCR character reader, can read the character by character in a printed document or book that can be worked within word processor. Why we want to work is in word processor? That content, scanned content, can be stored in word document. Are you clear? Yes. Next one, barcode reader and QR code reader. Here nowadays barcode reader and QR code reader is used in very wide variety of places, in shopping malls and in some fancy stores and whatever it may be. மளிகை கடையில கூட இப்போ யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. சரியா? அப்ப எதுக்காக யூஸ் பண்றாங்க? It prices will be cleared and accuracy, the result will be accuracy. No need to type content. For example, இப்போ நம்ம கடையில் ஒரு பிஸ்கட் பாக்கெட் வாங்கினா கூட அந்த பிஸ்கட் பாக்கெட் இப்படி ஸ்கேன் பண்ணா என்ன ஆகுது? நேம் ஆஃப் தட் பர்டிகுலர் பிஸ்கட் and the weight and then cost will be displayed. Okay, are you clear, student? This is an example for what? QR code reader or barcode reader. Barcode reader is a printed line. That line should be in the form of different thickness. How the different thickness? I think you are seen in here. Different thickness of line is there. different thickness of line, and then this different thickness of line have different numbers. This can be scanned and the data will be stored in computer. Already the barcode instructions can be stored in computer where we can use it. Yes, இப்போ கண்ணே பிஸ்கட் வாங்குறோம்னு சொன்னல அந்த பிஸ்கட்டோட நேம் பிரைஸ் வெயிட் should be placed. சரிங்களா அந்த சிஸ்டம்ல ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. Then we can scan that particular barcode, it will display the result. The main advantage is it is mainly used for quick response and as well as give the result as in accuracy. Are you clear? And voice input system we are very well familiar. We have used that microphone or headphone, whatever it may be. With the help of, you are giving some voice as an input. In keyboard we are giving some text as a input, but we are giving some voice in Gtalk and Google voice typing. Here you can press the mic, you can speak something that should be sent. In WhatsApp also we have that mic, and then we can send a voice message. Kana nama voice la input taralam. That voice should be recognized by the computer and it can be opened sometimes. Okay. And using microphone speech recognition software is used, that is called new approach of the input. That is a new approach, means we can give, that means we are giving some input as in voice and then the computer will be opened. In this situation, maybe my throat was infected, cold and cough or something, my tone or my voice will be changed, it not applicable. கண்ணே இப்போ வந்து எனக்கு சளி ஆர் கோல்ட் ஏதாவது அட்டாக் ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்னா இந்த டைம் என்னோட வாய்ஸ் மாறி இருக்கும். இன் தட் சிச்சுவேஷன் என்ன ஆகுது, வாய்ஸ் மாடுலேஷன் ஆகும்போது அந்த சிஸ்டம் வந்து நமக்கு ஓப்பன் ஆகாது. தீஸ் ஆர் த டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜஸ். ஓகே, ஆர் யூ கிளியர்? நெக்ஸ்ட் டிஜிட்டல் கேமரா. Digital camera is a very familiar. We want to shoot a video and image that capture and stored in memory. It capture the images and videos. Here now I take a session in front of my students and then camera is also there, which is used to capture my activity and displayed. ஓகேவா, இப்போ நான் வீடியோ செஷன் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன்டா, இந்த சிச்சுவேஷன்ல என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன், வீடியோ கேமரா, தட் இஸ் டிஜிட்டல் கேமரா இஸ் ஒர்க்கிங் அண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷனிங். That should be capture my activities and stored in that card and then it can be published in YouTube. Okay, this is the usage of digital camera. It uses CCD, that is charge coupled device. That charge coupled device is an electronic chip. Based on that electronic chip which can be worked, which is that camera will be worked and store the data. Yes, when light falls on the chip through the lens, how that means we can take a photo or take a video with the flashlight will be displayed, light flashed based on that electronic chip and light rays into the digital format. Yes, that light rays is fall into me and it can be converted into digital form. Digital form means what? Zeros and ones. Why we can be converted into digital form? The data should be stored in the form of zeros and ones. That should be understand only the computer. Other format cannot be understand by the computer. Are you clear, students? Next, touch screen. Here this is a best example of touch screen. Why this is the best example of touch screen? Yes, I want to move the slide from front and back. We can use that finger. My finger is act as a input device for moving front and back. So here it is act as a touch screen. Are you clear? Here it is act as a touch screen, and then I want to write something. In my finger is also used, and then this light pen is also used. Yes, how it was work? Here we can demo. For example, I want to write something. This is a very touch sensitive with the help of this pen. Are you clear? This is a touch screen. Why we can use touch screen? We have a smartphones. In that smartphones we have a lot of features. How you can open a WhatsApp or Facebook or any other application? You can click with the help of your finger. Your finger is act as an input device. In that situation, that screen, displaying screen, that's displaying screen is also accepting your input and then display the result. Okay, here the wide variety of devices are there: laptops, and palm taps, and then some tab and ATM machine. Yeah, we have withdraw, deposit or something, or every transaction, some ATM machines are touch screen. Yes. And keyer is the navigational purpose. In our hand is the main purpose. The keyer is it's similar to a gloves. It's similar to a gloves. We are moving your hand, that will be moved. That means the screen movement, that is our cursor movement, will be maintained here. It's a device for signaling by hand. So it is called as a keyer. We can give any input with the help of your hand. So it is called as a signaling by hand. You are giving any input, that input is in the form of signal by hand, way of pressing one or more switches. This is an example diagram of your thing. In this gloves, here this is a gloves, this gloves we have switches. These are the switches. These are the switches. These switches which is used for what purpose? Mainly focused on moving. Yes, and then pressing one or more switches. Modern keys have large number of switches. In that modern we have keys, large number of switches and then use, and the numbers between that numbers should be present in between 4 and 50. That means 4 to 54, 5, 6 up to 50. It has no board, but the keys are arranged in a cluster. How? What is the meaning of cluster? Cluster means we have done in group. The keys are arranged in group. Are you clear, students? Yes. Yes, today we have discussed what are the concepts. Input devices. What is an input device? You are giving any input to the computer with the help of input device. That input device accepts different types of input. Keyboard accepts what type of input? Very good, text. And mouse is a pointing device. Yes, very good, very good. Mouse is a pointing device which is used for what purpose? Which is used to pointing or opening or click something or select something. Yes. And then digital camera is what is the usage of that? Digital camera is used to capture the data is in the form of what purpose? In the image or video. Yes. And microphone, what is the usage of that microphone? Which is used for recognize the voice system. And biometric technology, biometric machine, fingerprint scanner, which is used for biometric. Yes, that is for providing the security. And retinal scanner, what is the usage of that retinal scanner? That retinal scanner is mainly used for scanning the human retina blood vessels, and it will be open. Yes, these are the some examples of input device. Are you clear, students? Yes, the study materials will be attached the below description. Thank you, students.